PL bar SQL function. What do you mean by PL bar SQL? PL stand for procedural language, SQL stand for structured query language. In this PL bar SQL, we are looked at in the Oracle DBMS lab. Okay, now let us start the session. In this PL bar SQL function can be created using the syntax. The creating a function syntax is a function is created using create function statement. Okay, why we are using this statement is whenever the programming language we can also use the function. In the programming language we can specify 3 steps for function. First one for function declaration, then function definition, then function calling. In this PL bar SQL they can provide only 2 steps. First one for creating the function, second one for calling the function. The 2 steps is enough to create a function. Okay. In this create statement, how we can write means create or replace function name within the square bracket. Within the bracket we have to mention the list of parameter name used for the function. Then the return statement. You must return the value whenever using a function. So return data type is or as that this is specified which variable we are going to return this function. Then after that only we can start the function body. Before start the function body, you must start with the keyword begin and end with the keyword end. Within these 2 keywords only you can write the function body. Okay, in this create function syntax I can use one existing table. That table is called customer. In this customer table I can able to use only 2 fields, that is ID and name. I can mention 4 record only inserted in this customer table. Now I can apply how the function can be created using this table that is specified in this example. Create or replace function total customer. Here total customer is a function name. Then return number is total number. Okay, here can you compare the syntax with the example? Syntax create or replace function, then function name. I can use create or replace function. The function name is total customer. This function return the variable in the name of total. Okay, in the total variable belongs to the data type number. So I can mention here is the return variable name, here is the return variable data type. I can initialize this variable into 0. Then after the function create statement I can write the function body. Okay, before itself I told whenever you start creating a function body you should start within the begin and end statement. Okay, so after writing begin, select count star into total from customer return total. Okay, what is the output for this query means this select command executing how many executing in the customer table. After executing this command they produce the value as the output for 4. Why means this select statement count how many records ordered in this customer table. Here I can add only 4 records. So this 4 value only produce the output for this function. So that select count star into this count star output of 4 can be stored in the variable total. Okay, so that return total. So that variable value only returned by the total variable. Then n. So this is the how to create a function syntax. In this example I can use the select query for creating a one function. In this example I can choose customer table. In this customer table I can apply the select count star command. So in this command produce the output for how many records are presented in the customer table. Okay, so finally I can get the result for 4. This is the method for creating a function. Before itself I mentioned we have to implement 2 steps. First step only creating a function. So first step now finished. Then we can go for the second step. What is the second step means? Calling a function. We can create a function but we never call means what is the use of the defining the function. So we can calling a function. So how the function can be called means you have to call the function within the Oracle PL bar SQL program. So here the program for calling the function. So declare. In this declaration part what we can mention means what are the variable you can use within the program. That kind of variable you have to declare in the declare statement. So I can use the only one variable C. C belongs to the variable number 2. Okay. So in the number data type I can declare the variable C. After that begin. Each and every PL bar SQL program, normal coding and also the function body can also begin and end with in between the begin and end statement. Then after the begin statement, C total customer. So it is can be called as the function call. Okay. what I already mentioned. No? Here the total customer is the function name. Here the function name only mentioned. So here can call as the here function definition, here function call. Okay. After executing this line, total customer, when the execution begins, that time itself the control can be forwarded from here to where the actual function can be defined. Okay. After the function calling only this process can be done. After that this function return the value 4 in a variable total. So this 4 can be assigned for the variable C. Okay, then now I can obtain the result, but I didn't display with how can I hide out. So DBMS underscore output dot putline, then total. So total number of customer I can count this variable stored in the variable C. So I can print C means I can find the output for 4. Okay, the next we can see that one more example. Here is the how the query can be converted into the function. Then here how the normal number can be. Normal number means how to check the maximum among two numbers, like that example I can produce. Here also I can merge these two parts into the single program. That way I mentioned here two examples. Here the declaration part function created on separate program, function calling in another program. In this example I can merge two in the single program. That only I can specify. Here is the declaration part. I can mention three variable I can use. What is the function means? Find max. In this function return I can able to verify. I can give two values which is the maximum. That only this function return as the output. So here what is the in, specify the input. So in this find max function I can able to give two variable as two value as the input, that is x and y. Both are belong to the number data type. Then here return number and also return the result also in the number, that is the variable name z. Okay, here only the function begin if x greater than y means x is the biggest number, so that result stored in the z. Otherwise the condition is false, the else part will be executed, the result can be stored in the variable z. Okay, after that whatever the possibilities are applied, only the condition true means this statement executed, condition false means this statement executed. So finally what is the value can be stored in the z, that only returned by the return keyword. Okay, this is the function ending. After that normal program execution start. So here also I can end with the this function begin statement. After that the normal program execution start. So here I can assign two values for the variable a and b. Then here is the function calling. Okay, I can call the function and also return the value in terms of C. If I give the value 23 and 45 means 23 greater than 45. Condition true or false? Condition is false. Then this else part only executed. So z equal to y, that is 45. So in this program I can find out the biggest number is among the 23 and the 45. 45 is the biggest number. Okay, I hope all of you enjoy this session. Can you easily identify the function in this video? Thank you.